Come test drive the 2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.